In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Acuity scheduling page. Navigating your way through the digital world of scheduling appointments can be a tad overwhelming, but worry not. Today we are diving into the seemingly complex yet surprisingly straightforward process of tailoring your Acuity scheduling page to better reflect your brand and streamline your booking process. Acuity scheduling, for those who may not be familiar, is an incredibly powerful tool that allows businesses and individuals to manage their appointments online efficiently. First things first, let's get you logged into your account. Head over to the Acuity scheduling website. Once there, you'll find a login button, usually placed prominently on the page. It's your gateway to start the customization process, so go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take a moment to type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could slow you down. Once entered, click Next to proceed. You may be used to the typical password entry field popping up by now, but if you've previously linked your Google account to Acuity scheduling, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. This is a nifty feature that streamlines the login process by utilizing your Google account, so go ahead and click on this option. Following the Google route, you'll need to select your Google account. If you're already logged into Google on your browser, you'll likely see your account appear as an option. Just select it and you'll be ushered seamlessly into Acuity Scheduling's dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, it's time to find and navigate to your scheduling page. The interface of Acuity Scheduling is quite user-friendly, but since we're focusing on customization, you'll want to locate the scheduling page. This page is the heart of your scheduling system, where all the magic happens. After you've found your way to the scheduling page, the next step is really where your creativity starts to play a role. Look for the appearance section. This is where you can begin to truly make your scheduling page your own. The appearance section is all about aesthetics. It's where you can align the look of your scheduling page with your brand image. Now here's the part where you get hands-on with customization. Click on Edit Your Form Appearance. This is where you can experiment with different colors, fonts and fields to match your brand's vibe. Think of it as giving your scheduling page a personal touch that speaks volumes about your brand. Visual consistency can have a significant impact on how clients perceive your brand, making this step crucial. After pouring your creativity into customizing the form, ensuring every detail is just right, it's time to save your changes. Look for a Save Changes button. It's essential to save the adjustments you've made, so they're reflected on your scheduling page for all your clients to see. This step is the culmination of your efforts, solidifying your customization choices and making them live. And there you have it. Customizing your Acuity scheduling page isn't just about making it look good, it's about creating a seamless, intuitive booking experience that reflects the professionalism and uniqueness of your brand. Remember, this customization isn't just a one-off, it's a dynamic process. As your brand evolves, your scheduling page can evolve with it. Feel free to revisit and tweak it as needed. The goal is to maintain a scheduling page that not only looks appealing, but also offers the functionality that makes booking appointments as smooth as possible for your clients. Customizing your Acuity scheduling page elevates your professionalism and aligns your online presence with your brand identity, making the appointment booking experience pleasant for both you and your clients. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an aesthetically pleasing and efficient scheduling page that stands out. So dive in, experiment with the various customization options, and watch as your Acuity scheduling page transforms before your eyes. Happy customizing!